Present Continuous Tense Challenge Part 3 English Practice. Question number 1. Tina. Where is Randy? Sita. He is in the backyard. He blah 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 the plants. A. Water. B. Waters. C. Is watering. D. Watering. The answer is C. Is watering. He is in the backyard. He is watering the plants. Explanation. The conversation implies that Randy is currently in the backyard performing an action right now. Since the subject is he, we use is plus verb ing. Question number 2. Alex, can you help me with this box? Budi, I'm sorry, I can't right now. I am blah 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 an important email to a client. Options. A. I'm typing. B. Is typing. C. Type. D. I'm typing. The answer is A. I'm typing. I'm sorry, I can't right now. I'm typing an important email to a client. Explanation. Puni cannot help right now because he is in the middle of another action. For the subject I, we use am plus verb ing. Remember to drop the silent E in type before adding ing. Question number 3. Mother. Why blah 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 you blah 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 your heavy coat, Annie? It's very hot outside. Annie. Oh, I feel a bit cold, Mom. A. Do and wear. B. Are and wearing. C. Is and wearing. D. Did and wear. The answer is B. Are and wearing. Why are you wearing your heavy coat, Annie? It's very cold outside. Explanation. The mother is asking about Annie's current state or action and the moment of speaking. In a question with you, the correct structure is are plus subject plus verb ing. Question number 4. Father. Listen, blah 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 the kids blah 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 upstairs. Mother. Yes, they are practicing for the school play. A. Is and shout. B. Do and shout. C. Are and shout. D. Are and shout. The answer is C. Are and shouting. Listen, are the kids shouting upstairs? Explanation. The word listen signal an action happening right now. Since the kids is a plural subject they, the question starts with are and uses the ing form. Question number 5. Jane. Let's go to the park. Lily. We can't. It's blah 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 outside at the moment. A. Rain. B. Rains. C. Is raining. D. Raining. The answer is C. Is raining. We can't. It is running outside at the moment. Lily rejects the idea because of the current weather situation. The time signal at the moment confirms the need for is plus verb ing for the subject it. Question number 6. Tom. Where are Mr. and Mrs. Smith? John. They blah 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 dinner at the new Italian restaurant downtown. A have. B is having. C having. D are having. The answer is D are having. They are having dinner at the new Italian restaurant downtown. Explanation. John is describing what Mr. and Mrs. Smith are currently doing. Since the subject is plural they, we use are having. Question number 7. Teacher. Danny, please put away your phone. You blah 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 attention to the lesson. Danny, I'm sorry Mr. Randy. I will put it away now. A. Aren't paying. B. Isn't paying. C. Don't pay. D. Not paying. The answer is aren't paying. Danny, please put away your phone. You aren't paying attention to the lesson. The teacher is correcting Danny's current behavior. For the subject you, the negative continuous form is aren't plus verb ing. Question number 8. Rian, what is that loud noise from the kitchen? Sandy, oh my sister, blah 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 blender to make some juice. A. Use. B. Uses. C. Is using. D. Using. The answer is C. Is using. Oh, my sister is using a blender to make some juice. Explanation. The loud noise is happening right now, which means the action causing it. It is also progress. My sister is singular subject, she, so we use is using. Question number 9. Leo. Hey, blah blah blah, you blah 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 from the bus. Maya. No, I'm waiting for a taxi. The bus is late today. A. Is waiting. B. Do in wait. C. Are in waiting. D. Are in wait. Answer. C. Are in waiting. Hey, are you waiting for the bus? Explanation. Leo is asking about Maya's current activity at the bus stop. The question format for you requires are plus subject plus verb ing. Question number 10. Guess. Excuse me, I'm looking for the manager. Receptionist. He blah blah meeting with the directors right now. Please wait a moment. A. Holds. B is holding. C are holding. D holding. The answer is B is holding. He is holding a meeting with directors right now. Please wait a moment. The manager is currently busy in a meeting right now. He pairs with the singular continuous structure is holding. Okay, but there's tips for conversation context. In English conversations, when someone asks where is or tells you to look or listen, the response almost always uses the present continuous tense because it describes immediate real-time action. Okay, thank you for attention.